So guys, welcome. By the way, welcome. And if you are new, you've not subscribed, click on the subscribe button. We would be looking at our GBPUSD. So basically, you need to stay to the end. You have to watch it to the end to actually be able to get the analysis properly and why we will be taking this particular trade. So stick to the end. Now let's start with this GBPUSD on the weekly time frame. Food we all can see. If you have to zoom it out, there is a ranging market move, right? I highlighted this top with a blue mark and this down with yellow, which means this blue is our resistance level. We all see this price drop to this level, right? We saw it roll up again to this level, and it's rejected from this level down again, and it's rolled up again to this level, and it's rolled down again to this level. So this is our support down, this is our resistance on this weekly time frame. Now this price has rolled down to our support level. What are we expecting again? An impulse move upward on this GBP USD. Now let's this is right. We are expecting a bullish move. So I'm going to tell you why. Reason is that first of all, price has gotten to our support level. We are expecting an impulse move if this will continue to range. Secondly, this will be giving us an impulse move again because as a correction, a bullish move, as a bullish move, we are expecting a bullish move upward, right? As a correction, because if you see this an impulse move downward, there was a correction here. If this is an impulse move again, we should be expecting a correction again in case this PS want to continue to go bearish, in case this GBP USD will continue to go bearish as against this our GB and USD, then at least we should be expecting a correction on this GBP USD, right? So that is a two reason why we'll be expecting a movement upward. Now see it this way, there was an impulse move. This we had an impulse move, a correction took place that go to our 10-period moving average. We had another impulse move, another correction took place that got to our 10-period moving average, even broke above it. Then we add another correction. So all this we had another impulse move. So this impulse move were actually breaking the previous lower lows. This was the first previous lower lows. Impulse move downward, broke above it. Another impulse move broke above this previous lower lows. So we should be expecting a correction again. At least to come to this our 10-period moving average. Basically, so about last week we had the bullish move. So this week we kind of have this red. So basically, this is to tell you that this impulse, this correction on this GBP USD on weekly time frame is not over. So still be expecting a bullish move on this GBP USD. Yes, still be expecting it. I'm still seeing this as a red. Possibly the next week that will open, we should actually open and close, green. So we are still expecting an impulse move upward on this GBP on weekly time frame. Now down to our daily time frame. So we would start it from here. I think let's start it from here. This price I highlighted from here. So kind of price actually rejected here multiple times. We saw when we were on an impulse move downward, there was a correction that took place around here. So price rolled down, came to this level again, came down, came to this level. So tap this level about 3 times, multiple times, by the way. So this is a level I highlighted. Now we've had another drop. A correction was made here on this daily time frame. Another drop was made, right? And guess what? A correction was made on this daily time frame, right? So you saw this came to this previous lower lows level. So what are we expecting again? Another impulse move on this GBP USD. So basically, our basically the this GBP USD has now had its correction on the daily time frame. So basically, the correction on daily time frame is now over. We now having another impulse move on this our GBP USD. So what are we now expecting now, right, on this daily time frame? See it this way. Now that we had this impulse move, a correction was made here. Another impulse move, a correction was made. So we are expecting another drop, right? So which means we are now going bearish. We are hoping our GBP will actually break below these lows. So daily time frame, since we want to predict where the price will be moving for the next day, we would want to try and look for a way to short this price. So to break below this week here, this huge week, we can see which is our lowest point price has actually gotten to. We would want to break below it. Now to actually take this trade, I want you to actually see something first before we actually pick this trade. To take this trade, we will go to our 4-hour time frame, but before that, let's go to our USD index, by the way, which is our USD PS, price actually move. So if you are to zoom it out, you see that this our USD index on this daily time frame is a bullish move, right? We are actually going bullish on USD index. So basically, price was actually, we had impulse move, which higher highs was breaking previous higher highs. So you saw this highs here broke above this previous higher highs. This highs again that we had broke above this previous higher highs, right? So basically we now at a pullback. What are we expecting again? Another highs that will break above this highs we are seeing. So we are expecting another highs that will break above this highs. So basically, once that USD index is giving us that bullish move, which we are expecting to break above the previous highs, which is this previous highs, then our GBP to our USD should actually drop. So once the USD is going bullish, which our index is showing, it will be giving us bullish move, then the GBP itself will be dropping. That is one reason why I said this will be a drop. Let's see that this is a drop, right? We'll be seeing a correction, a little bit of a correction here, then another drop will be happening. You'll be able to see it visibly very, very well on the 4-hour time frame, which will be going very soon. But go back to our USD index, by the way. So we are expecting another impulse move to actually break the previous higher highs. So to actually place this trade, we would want to go to our 4-hour time frame. So this 4-hour time frame is an impulse move, right? A correction has just been made, which is our 10-period moving average. Now we are expecting another impulse move again. So basically, USD index, we are expecting to go bullish possibly the next day, which is on the 15th. So we are expecting to go bullish, at least to take out this highs. So from this period to this highs where we want to take it out from, that is about 90 plus pips. So we still have about 90 plus pips to actually break above to hit this highs and possibly to break above it, which will be giving us 100 plus pips. So once the USD index will be giving us that bullish move, then our GBP should actually be dropping. So to actually place this trade, we will go down to the 4-hour time frame. So the 4-hour time frame, right? This was an impulse move. We will take impulse move downward. We add a correction. What are we doing? Expecting again another impulse move we are expecting. So basically, this red candle has just opened red. So we are expecting a drop again, possibly to take out these lows and continue to go bearish. So if you want to place the trade now, it depends on when you are watching it. If you are watching it early, you subscribe and I upload it. If watching it early, then actually short, take out these lows first, then we can now continue to go short again to take out this lows. So definitely we are looking for two areas our GBP would actually be dropping to. First of all, this lows we want to take it out, then the second lows here we would want to take it out. So once our USD index indicates a bullish move, which will be giving us a bullish move, then the GBP to our USD should actually be giving us that bearish move. Same thing to the 1-hour time frame. So 1-hour time frame, see this huge impulse move downward. A correction was made, and now we are having another impulse move downward on this 1-hour time frame. So GBP USD, we are bearish. We should continue to go bearish.